You need both of those skateboards.
No. I don't want to break my neck.
Well, the crutches would be free.
Yeah, the crutches go with either the pogo stick or the skateboard.
Yeah, I had one of those. I had the Coke eat through the can. How are you? Good. I'm shocked that Coke hasn't eaten through the can yet.
We've had that for a while.
I've had it happen to me on a couple of them. I might end up getting these, Rana.
Oh, yeah. We weren't sure about yesterday either because it's cloudy and got some sprinkles here and there. It's like, oh.
Did it ever really rain? Or
No,
did it just sprinkle?
it just sprinkled here.
The girls at a yard sale we were at a little bit ago got a big fairy garden set, and so we were trying to think how to make like a little circle. Yeah.
I have more.
Here, I'll come over and look.
Okay. Okay. This?
I like that for
You?
not for her or me. I mean, I don't wear the same size.
This?
Let me see.
I found two of
Let
them.
me see. No.
Okay. Okay. And then I found this.
Yeah.
You think we could use those for our fairy garden?
Oh, if you're putting it on the hill, I don't know.
This?
It depends on where you want to put it.
Oh,
And this.
No.
And Volley Trust.
No. So would you wear this jacket?
I would.
One of you would?
Sure, I would. Here's another pirate shirt.
Let's get it then. Yeah.
I keep on getting
Give it to me.
price tag on me.
Try to remember where.
They're trying to get rid of you.
Dollar. I'm a dollar.
That's a bargain.
Here, hold these. Here, hold
This
these.
came off of
Okay,
me.
here.
Calm down. Okay. That's a jacket.
What about this pitch shirt, Rana?
Wait, what's that?
I don't really.
I don't like these.
No, we're just huge fans, season ticket holders.
Oh, cool.
Transfers your home title to a fake identity and steals your title. No one will notify you. Not the police, not even your bank. Sadly, people find out when it's too late. When their home is sold out from under them, or the eviction notice comes. That's when the legal nightmare begins. You need Home Title Lock, America's leader in home title protection. For just pennies a day, Home Title Lock puts a virtual barrier of protection around your home's title with 24/7 monitoring. Cyber technology has made it easy for criminals to steal your home. Home Title Lock alerts you if your home becomes their target. Make sure you're not already a victim. Go to HomeTitleLock.com. For a limited time, get your free title scan and complete title report. $100 value, free with sign up. Again, that's HomeTitleLock.com. HomeTitleLock.com. Cross Your Paws is a foster-based animal rescue organization dedicated to prevention of cruelty to animals. Since Kenny Ross Subaru has joined the Cross Your Paws mission, more than 3,000 dogs have been rescued, and almost each one of them has found a forever home. If you'd like to help, please visit KennyRossSubaru.com.
I'm going to let you in on a secret. Medical cannabis is now readily available. Oh, you knew that? Well, did you know you could qualify for a medical marijuana card without ever leaving your home?
Huh? I can't hear you. Here, come here, Michaela. The mom, did you look at the flags?
Not really.
You want to look real quick?
Not get it. Okay, I'll take a look. I have so many.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
How much were the shorts?
They're about to pee.
Okay.
I'm over here. Hey, guess what? I found a thing that said coffee all day. Coffee served all day.
Let me see this.
Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
We're good then?
Where's Michaela?
What's that Tommy jeans thing? It's a bag.
The duffel.
Take got my sunglasses on.
Morning, Jocelyn. Just get up.
I've been up, but then
Good sleep over.
they all hold up. Those chairs will hold up.
Oh, they would?
Yeah. You just take them.
He told me he was gonna eat that other half a hoagie.
Oh, that's cool. Wow. That's pretty awesome.
I have all their lemonade stuff.
Dad.
A lot.
Like,
No.
And then they're like, where's the lemonade signs? I'm like, you guys need to be more prepared. They said, this is your thing, I'm not.
Their marketing powers is low.
wasn't your job to make the sign?
How you doing? Good. I was busting his chops because yesterday he says, Mr. Bill, I'm gonna be here at 7 tomorrow.
I heard his alarm go off at 7:35.
He said he was up and then he fell back and forth.
Then he got showered, he got ready, and then I'm like, go. So.
You need both of those skateboards.
No. I don't want to break my neck.
Well, the crutches would be free. Yeah, the crutches go with either the pogo stick or the skateboard.
Yeah, I didn't even know what that was.
Look at this controller. Whole controller.
Oh, sorry, Michaela.
Wireless. Look at that.
How much you have on the Xbox?
I think she said 35.
Okay.
Cool.
And I think there's 2 controllers there.
Sounds good. That's pretty cool. Torpedo rum.
He was sitting on here yesterday, and I'm like, no.
Is that how the
Yeah, but I wouldn't sell into those.
Raina, did you see these little bottles?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are those things down there?
What? Ink.
No.
Aftermarket ink.
Whoa, look at these.
She had men's. She had some men's shirts.
These are my size.
You hate jeans.
Me? Those are jean shorts.
No.
And the cat lap.
No, you have enough books. Month's book. You just have enough.
Is that it?
Yep.